Tell me which one. Let me open a. What is the question? Read out and tell me. One person at a time. 1 by 4 and 4 by 15. Yeah, you have to compare this, right? Yeah, so these are like fraction or unlike fraction. So when you have unlike fraction, what we have to do? First, we have to convert to like fraction, children. First step, when you have unlike fraction, first you have to convert to like fraction. How will you convert to like fraction? By doing LCM. How do you convert this? You have to find LCM. LCM of 4 and 15 of the denominator. We have to make the denominator same. Like fraction means denominator is same. So I will find LCM of 4 and 15. So what is LCM of 4 and 15? 4 and 15 LCM is what? Sorry? 60. So now I know denominator has to become 60. How will denominator become 60 of the first fraction 1 by 4? If I multiply, no Subhashri, no. I have written it. Can you see? Yes. So who asked me this doubt? Yeah, Nitisha. Yeah, so tell me how will I convert the second fraction 4 by 15 to 60 denominator? Nitisha, 4. How can I convert this second fraction denominator to 60? Hmm? 4 multiplied by 15, first fraction I did. So 15 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 15 I did in the first. It is same as 15 multiplied by 4, LCM 60. So 4 multiplied by 4, numerator also. Then I will get, this becomes 15 by 60 and this becomes 16 by 60. So which is bigger, 15 by 60 or 16 by 60? So, yeah, so this is bigger. So this is bigger. That is how you do. That is how you have to find LCM, no children. You have to find LCM. Once you know how to find LCM and make the denominator 60, then you will get automatically. For that, you have to practice, no? Without practicing, how? So worksheet has to be done, right? Yeah. Hmm? Okay. So let us now shift our focus and let us go to word problems. Okay. What happens? Yes, I gave. Okay. Now another one. Isha read. Yes, Naveen. Okay. Isha read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. All of you, I hope you are writing. Okay, now I'm changing. Nagma. Children, don't give out of turn answers. First write. Nagma read half of the same book. Okay? Who read less? All of you note this down carefully. As you write down and as you read, you should be able to visualize. So Isha read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Okay? Nagma read half of the same book. Who read less? Nagma or Isha? Yeah, give the answer in chat. So I will. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, okay, fine. Let me check. Okay, okay, okay. I want to know how. Wait, wait, Subhashi. Okay, Subhashi, tell me. Okay, correct. Nagma read 50 pages, correct? She read half, correct? So, and how much Isha read? 25 pages. Okay. So, Isha has read 25 pages. Very good, Bhargavi. And Nagma read half pages. Is it correct? Half pages, half page. Yes, half pages. So, I will not write pages. I will write half of the book, of book. Correct? Half of book. So, the fraction of book Isha read was 25 out of 100. Okay. And the fraction of book Nagma read was half of 100. Total pages of 100, correct? So she read half of 100 pages. In fractions, magic happens. Of always becomes multiplication. So this becomes 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 0 equal to 50 pages. 50 out of 100 pages. And how much was Isha? 100 pages. Correct? Who read less? Who read less? So Isha read less pages. Simple. Simple. What? There's another method to do. Now suppose now this method you have written down, children. So the answer will be your answer will be, children, note down how I'm writing the answer. Word problems have to be written. Isha read less pages than Nagma. Okay, this is the answer. Because they asked who read less. You have to write Isha read less pages than Nagma. That's all. Okay. Next, another method is, in the first method, what did I do? In this method, we converted Nagma's fraction to pages, correct? In other math method, we will convert Isha's pages to fraction. So we had Isha, we had Nagma. Isha read 25. Sorry. Isha read 25 pages, right? And Nagma read half. Okay. So Isha read 25 out of 100. I will simplify this fraction. I will simplify this fraction. What will I do? Okay. Divide by 5, 5. Wait. I will divide by 5, you are saying? Okay. Divide numerator by 5 and divide by 5. So numerator will become 1 minute. Step by step. Don't jump. Okay. So 25 divided by 5 becomes how much? 25 divided by 5. 5. And 100 divided by 5? 20. Again, I will simplify. Again, I will divide this by 5. I will divide this by 5. So I will get 1 by 4. And Nagma had 1 by 2. Which is bigger? Half. 1 by 4 is smaller. 1 by 4 is smaller. Okay, how will you find? You will find it like this. Find the LCM. Find the LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 2? 4. So this will be multiplied by 1. This will be multiplied by 1. This will be multiplied by 2. This will be multiplied by 2. So I will get 1 by 4. And here we will get 2 by 4. Which is bigger? 2 by 4. Got? In one problem you did everything. Simplification, converting like to unlike to like, and then finding and comparing. All you did. Understood? So you can do it this way or you can do it that way. That way was faster. Clear? Yeah. Okay. So now I had given you a problem saying this. What is the word problem I had given? Can somebody read? Danya. Okay. So Ravish and Rohit, they exercised. Okay, they did exercise. Ravish exercised for how much? How much time? 3 by 6 of an hour of 1 hour. Correct? And Rohit exercised for how much? 3 by 4 of 1 hour. So basically it is. So I told you all, no, off becomes what? Off becomes what? Multiplication. Okay. Here also it becomes multiplication. What happened, children? No, there are a lot of children who are having network problem. Yeah, okay. So it becomes 3 by 6 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3 by 6. And this becomes 3 by 4 multiplied by 1, which becomes equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 1, which is nothing but 3 by 4. Clear? Now 3 by 6 and 3 by 4 are like fractions or unlike fractions? Unlike fractions. So what do you have to do? You have to compare it, correct? Okay. But before that, observe this fraction. Can you simplify it or reduce it to lowest form? What? How? Yes. So both are divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3 equal to 1 by 1 by 1 by 2. Correct? So this fraction becomes 1 by 2. And this fraction is 3 by 4. Now tell me which is bigger. So you have to convert. Now these two are unlike fractions, correct? So what will I do? So what we will convert it to what? Like fraction. For that, what we have to do? We have to find the LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? Very simple. 4. So how will this become 4? 2 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, and 4 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 1. So this becomes equal to 2 by 4, and this remains 3 by 4. Who exercise more? 3 by 4. He was originally also 3 by 4. We converted 3 by 6 to 2 by 4. Obviously, Rohit did more. Understood, children? Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah. Very nice. So now let us do another problem. Okay. Another word problem. Okay. We have a class. In a class, okay, 25 students. 25 students, they got 75%. Okay. Then 20, no, sorry, 20 students. 20 students got 75%. Okay. In this is class A. Okay. In class B, I'll do with different color. In class B, total students are 30. 24 students. Okay. They got 75% and above. Okay. So here I have class A total was how much? I didn't give you all. Class A total students were 25. Out of that, 20 students got 75%. In class B, there were 30 students. 24 students got 75%. Okay. Which class had more number of students getting 75%? Children, yes, do it in chat box and tell me. So again, I'm telling you all, listen carefully. Two classes are there, class A and class B. Total students in class A is 25. Out of that, 20 students got 75%. In class B, out of 30 students, 24 students got 75%. Which class had more number of students getting 75%? Pawan. Okay. Yes. Pawan. Okay. I got your answer. Muskan, can you hear me? Then how did you know I'm asking you? Okay. Can you see the screen? Yeah, then your network is weak, Muskan. But you see the screen. Waiting for your answers, children. Checking. Okay, children, one more minute. Again, I'm repeating. Class A has 25 students. 20 students got 25%. Sorry, 20 students got 75%. Class B has 30 students. 24 students got 75%. Which class had more number of students getting 75%? Okay, Pawan, saw your answer. Kavya got your answer. No, only Govardhan's is correct. Bhargavi is correct. Only two children got correct. No, Subhashri. Quickly, children. Children, all try. Kavya, no. But I'm not worried who's getting correct or who's getting wrong. I'm happy that the children are trying. No. Bhargavi is correct. Pawan is correct. No, Vijay Lakshmi. No, Vinay. Okay, children. No. Kirtana, no. No problem. Look at what we are doing now. Govardhan, tell me how you did. But step by step. Don't jump the steps, okay? Step by step, tell me what you did. Let me open my whiteboard. Okay, now tell. So I have class A and class B. In class A, total students how much? 25. In class B, okay. Then what happened? Okay. So, so 75% how many got? 75% marks how many got? 20 students got. And in class B, 75% marks, 24 students. Very nice. Okay, so 20 by 25. And for class B, 24 by 30. Now, children, we have to compare. Children, please mute. We have to compare these two fractions. Whatever we have studied, that only we are doing. Nothing different. Okay, please mute, children. Govardhan, continue. Okay, so you took both the denominators and found their LCM, correct? So denominator one was 25, one was 30. So you found their LCM. Okay. What is the LCM? Okay, the LCM was 150. Okay, so LCM you got 150. Very good. Okay, then. Okay. So you got equal to 120 by 150. Okay. What about the other class B? Very good. So you got equal to 120 by 150. 120 by 150. Now these two fractions are what? Equal. Children saw? So these two fractions are equal. So in both the classes, the fraction of number of children getting 75% marks was equal. 120 by 50, 120 by 50. Understood, children? Others? Okay. Bhargavi, you did in any other method? Same way? LCM also you got 150? Okay. Okay. So now I will tell you all how I can do another thing. This is absolutely correct. There's nothing wrong. Okay, this is absolutely correct. So now the fraction was what? What Govardhan did fraction? 20 by 25. And fraction of class B was 30 by, sorry, I'm making same mistake. Yes, 24 by 30. Now, if I look at this, I can simplify this further. If I divide this by 5, divide this by 5, I will get 4 by 5. And this, if I divide by 6, the other fraction, if I divide by 6 and I divide by 6, I will get 4 by 5. No need of going to 150 and all. So children, every topic which you study, you can interconnect. Simplification, comparison, like, unlike, equivalent, everything. So in 2 steps, we could get this. Yes, why not? Definitely. 1 minute, children. Children are having network issues. A lot of children having network issues, is it? Okay. So, what didn't you understand, Subhashri? What have you not understood? Okay. So, class A had how many students getting 75% marks, Subhashri? 20. Out of how many? out of 25. So we made this fraction 20 by 25. Okay, correct? No, it is same with class B also. 24 students got 75% above, but class B strength was 30. I wanted to know which fraction of children in which class got more marks. So what we did, we saw these two fractions, and one way is we can do LCM because these two are unlike fractions. 20 by 25 and 24 by 30 are unlike fractions. So we can find LCM. But before finding LCM, I decided to simplify this fractions. So I divided 20 by 5 and 25 by 5. And I divided 24 by 6 and 30 by 6. Because these numbers are the HCF. 5 is the HCF of 20 and 25. And 6 is the HCF of 24 and 30. So what did I get? 20 divided by 5 is how much? Subhashri? Subhashri? Subhashri, can you hear me? Yeah, so 20 divided by 5 is how much? And 25 divided by 5? 5. Okay. And 24 divided by 6? And 30 divided by 6? So 4 by 5 equal to 4 by 5. What? Clear? Yes. So children, this is how we use word problems. It is very simple. Only thing is we need practice. Okay. Once you understand what I am doing in class and what you all are also doing together when we all understand when I explain and all that. But if you do your worksheet after that, it will remain in your brain. Okay. So practice is very important. So whatever worksheet I gave, please do it. So now, very easy, but provided you do. Okay, practice. Okay. Never we should get overconfident. So what do? We have to become confident, we have to keep practicing. So we learn something, then we practice to become confident. Clear? Okay, children. Now let us quickly, yes, yes. Which number? Oh, 6 and 5. Because, okay, wait one sec. You're telling here? Kitana? Yes. Now when I'm simplifying a numerator and denominator, I will always find the highest common factor. What is the number that can divide 20 also and 25 also? 5 will come, no? 5 will come here. 5 is a common factor. In 24 and 30, which is a common factor, which is the highest common factor of 24 and 30? Highest. We can do. We can do this also. Let me rub it for you. I can do divide by 2 also. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Then I will get, then I will get 24 divided by 2, how much? How much? 12. And 30 divided by 2? 15. Then 12 and 15, again I want to simplify. I will see 12 and 15 common factor is what? 3. So I will again divide by 3. Again divide by 3. Then I will get, then I'll get 4 by 5. Yeah, so I got 4. Only I can do that also, but it became longer, no? I had to do two more steps. So if my multiplication tables are strong, then I will straight away do with 6 only. Clear? Children? Yes, that's what. So that is why you have to, if you can divide it. What is division, children? Mm, what did we do just now? If suppose I have some item, okay, I can first divide by, going by Kirtana's thing, I first divided by, how many pieces were these? First I divided by 2, correct? Correct? Then I divided by 3. Then I divided by 3. 1, 2. So finally I divided in 6 pieces. I could straight away have divided into 6 pieces, no? That is division. But you may take longer, but not to worry. It is same. You will not get the wrong answer. Like Govardhan and Bhargavi did by finding LCM. Still they got correct answer. 120 out of 150. Answer is correct. Methods are different. Correct? Whether I go to school walking, or whether I go to school by cycle, or whether I go to school by auto, I will reach school. Only thing is, auto will take me fastest. Cycle will take me next. So like that only maths also. Answer is correct. But method will take longer time, lower time. Yeah. Tell me. Who's asking? Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Whatever you're comfortable with. In school exams, there's no hard and fast rule. You have to do it one way. Okay. What happens is when you all grow up, when you all go to 11th, 12th, then after that engineering or whatever subject you're doing, competitive exams, they will check for your how fast your brain works. And there your questions become time based. Like how tomorrow I will give a quiz for you all. In that, you all will realize how time plays an important role because time puts pressure on you. But what happens is, if you all the more practice you all do, the more faster your brain gets wired. The brain automatically will decide, okay, 6, I have to divide by 6. Okay, okay, fine, fine. I have to first simplify fractions, then I will get it easier. So, not to worry, you do by your method. You keep practicing, suddenly you'll realize you're doing faster. I gave you the example of cycle, no? The first time you would have tried to learn cycle, it would have taken time. Slowly pedaling, falling, getting up, pedaling. Then slowly. Now you see, as soon as you grow up, you will be able to ride. You will be able to ride scooter also because you already have practice of cycle. Same same thing applies in life. Everywhere in life, same thing applies. So just do what is most comfortable to you. You will get the correct answer, and without knowing, you will automatically do it faster also. Don't worry. Okay, clear, Bhargavi? Good. So now let us start. We are already 7:10. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Again, whenever you do this, whenever a fraction is first, you have to see whether they are like or unlike. Or unlike. For example, if I give you, oh, oh God, I've created maximum. Okay, okay. So now, suppose I give you all a fraction 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, and I tell you all, add it. First thing you have to see whether it is like or unlike fractions. What are these? Like fractions. So straight away, So straight away you will keep denominator same and you will do, so you will get 8 by 8, which is nothing but, clear? Simple children, very simple, nothing complicated here. If suppose I change this and suppose I write 18 by 35 plus 12 by 35, what will be the answer? What? Tell, please tell. Very good. So 35 like fraction. So denominator remains same. Then I will do 18 plus 12. Then I will do 30 by 35. Is this my final answer? No. What will I do? This is this is correct, but I will simplify. I will simplify. So whatever I simplify, yes, I will divide it by highest common factor, which is 5, which is 5. I will get 6 by 7. This is my final answer. Can you simplify? Simplify. 18 by 35, simplify, please. Can you simplify? 18 by 35. Please simplify. Tell me 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. How you can simplify? Then I wrote no equal to 1. I, I wrote no equal to 1. You missed it. Did you miss it, Shubhashri? Yeah, I written 3 by 5. Okay, I did not write it very clearly. Okay, I will do it for you again. Sorry, 5 by 8. 3 by 8, sorry. 3 by 8, 5 by 8 equal to 8. 3 plus 5 equal to 8 by 8. 8, 8 cancels equal to 1. Clear? Basically, this is okay, good. So, this is, yeah. Now, suppose I change this and I write 3 by 8 plus 5 by 6. Now, what will you do? These are like fraction, unlike fractions. Unlike fraction. Yes, method is same. Like how you did there. Convert to like fractions. So find LCM of 8 and 6. So what is LCM of 8 and 6? 24. Very good. So LCM is of 8 and 6 is 24. So what will I do? Same. Multiply numerator denominator by the number to get LCM 24. To get the denominator 24. What will I do? Hold on. Govardhan, hold on. Bhargavi, hold on. Now tell me, children who have not answered. Kirtana, what happened? Children, can you hear me? Children, can you hear me? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry, I got disconnected. Sorry. So, what was my all the whiteboards went. Children, my network seems to be disturbed. Can you hear me, children? Okay, I'm leaving the meeting and coming back. Can you hear me, children? Can you hear me, children? Can you hear me? Hello? Children, can you hear me? Okay, okay. Sorry, children. Suddenly my network has become erratic. Oh, and my whiteboard is also not working. So, children, I think, yeah. So please complete that. The process is same, children. Find the LCM, convert them to like fractions, and then add the numerator, and then simplify it. Clear? Okay. Same with addition. Same with subtraction. I will give you all problems. Okay. I'm not able to share my screen. Okay, sorry children, my network is really bad. So do the same method. Find LCM, convert the fractions to like fractions, and then add the numerators. Clear? Same procedure for subtraction. Clear? Can you hear me? Children, can you hear me? Can you hear me, children? Children, my network is bad. So same procedure. Find LCM, convert to like fractions, add the numerator, then simplify. That's all. Okay, so I will give you a worksheet. Please do it. Sorry for the inconvenience. See you all tomorrow. Tomorrow class is at 5 o'clock. Tomorrow class is at 5 o'clock.